Welcome to Module 4 of the Intro to Blockchain Maturity Model class. In this module, we will explore the levels and ratings of the blockchain maturity model. We'll discuss what the BMM levels are, how to determine maturity and element ratings, and what these ratings mean in terms of the overall trustworthiness of a blockchain solution. Let's take a closer look at the BMM levels. The expectations of each of the 11 elements are categorized into 5 levels of maturity, each with a unique set of criteria. These criteria are used to perform assessments and determine a solution's level of maturity. As we explore each of the levels in more detail, we'll see how they provide a roadmap for process and progress and to help ensure that your blockchain solution meets industry best practices. Let's take a look at this bar graph, which represents the results of an element rating assessment for a blockchain solution, each at varying levels of maturity. You'll notice that the horizontal line goes across the lowest element rating, which represents the overall maturity level of the blockchain solution. In other words, the overall maturity of the solution is determined by the lowest individual element rating. This is an important aspect of the BMM assessments, as it ensures that all elements are addressed. To achieve a particular maturity rating, an organization must meet the requirements of all 11 BMM elements. However, an element rating allows organizations to focus on a specific BMM element and improve their capabilities in that area. Each element of the blockchain maturity model is divided into 5 levels of maturity. They are Level 1 initial, Level 2 documented, Level 3 validated, Level 4 production, and Level 5 optimizing. Let's look at each of these levels individually to understand the expectations at each level. The first level is known as the initial level. This level serves as the baseline for the organization's understanding and implementation of blockchain technology. At this level, the organization has a basic understanding of the technology and its potential benefit, but may not have yet taken any action to fully implement it. To achieve this level, there must be some evidence that the activities described in the element have been planned, documented, and/or implemented. This includes having a generic understanding of the technology, its potential benefits, and identifying potential uses. The initial level is the starting point for organizations looking to implement blockchain technology and serves as a foundation for future growth and development. The GBA BMM Level 2, known as the documented level, is achieved when a blockchain solution has a solution documentation package, or SDP, that demonstrates the implementation of the BMM element requirements. This package can include important documents such as a charter, plans, designs, or other solution-related documentation. The Level 2 status is a demonstration that the solution has the potential to be implemented in a production environment and provides confidence to investors, potential users, and customers. At BMM Level 2, a solution documentation package is required. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that while the GBA BMM specifies the content that is included in the SDP, the structure and format of the SDP should be tailored to the specific needs of the solution provider and not dictated by the GBA BMM. A solution is assessed at Level 3, validated, when there's adequate evidence that the solution demonstrates that it functions as intended, generating the expected outcome. The system demonstrates that each element of the system has the capability to satisfy its operational requirements over the life cycle of the solution. Solutions are assessed at Level 4, production, when there's adequate evidence that they work as intended, generating the expected outcome, together with all the other parts of the blockchain solution. Hence, the solution is capable of enterprise deployment with supporting documentation and recording of its performance. A solution is assessed at Level 5, optimizing, when there's adequate evidence that it can be maintained continually with consistent and reliable performance over a long period. Solutions are also expected to demonstrate adequate evidence that they can adapt to the appropriate scale of deployment while maintaining consistent and reliable performance. It's important to understand that the BMM is a process improvement journey and that you don't start at the end. Getting to level 1 is a major accomplishment, and each level establishes a foundation that you can build on to go to the next level. Trying to get to level 5 out of the gate is like trying to teach calculus to a kindergartner. This industry is brand new. The tech is new, the processes are new, and it's unrealistic to think that a solution could be fully mature at the beginning of its life cycle. Congratulations on making it through Module 4. In this module, we delved into the different levels of maturity for each BMM element, as well as the BMM element and maturity rating. We covered the 5 levels of maturity for each BMM element, ranging from initial to optimizing. And we discussed element and maturity ratings, which are like a report card for an organization's blockchain capabilities. That's it for Module 4, and by now you should have a pretty good understanding of BMM levels and how ratings are used in order to measure a solution's capability and maturity. Please take the quiz before moving on to the next module, and in the next module we'll learn about how the BMM is used for real-world use cases and how supplements augment the model in order to extend it and improve it.